Hi, I am Dr. Marta. I am part of the Makeover team here in Playa del Carmen. I am a specialist in cosmetic and restorative dentistry. My patient is minimally invasive high aesthetic treatments like veneers, digital smile designs, and full mouth reconstruction. Today, we use technologies such as digital scanner, photography, and software, where we can plan how a smile will look before even touching our patient. In these workflows, the patient gets very involved in the process of designing his or her new smile. I chose this specialty because I love to see my patients smiling with confidence once again. I hope to see you very soon here at Makeover Playa del Carmen. Bye!